Open any browser on your PC. Click on the address bar at the top. Type in 192.168.1.1 and hit Enter. If that doesn't work, see Your Router Back, or Google it, or try 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.1 instead. One of these will open your router login page. Now enter your username and password. Most routers use admin for both the username and password by default. If that doesn't work, check the sticker on the back of your router. The login details are usually printed right there. Click Login. Once you're inside your router settings, look for a section called Connected Devices, Device List, or DHCP Client List. The name may vary depending on your router brand. Click on it. Here you'll see a full list of every device currently connected to your Wi-Fi. It will show you the device name, IP address, and MAC address of each one. This is a great way to check if any unknown devices are using your network. If you spot any device you don't recognize, you can block it directly from your router settings. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.